Good morning, dear students. I am teaching chapter 12, Reproduction in Plants. And yesterday I taught you dispersion of seeds and fruits. How seed disperse and it becomes plants and fruits. Today we will discuss about the keywords. What is the asexual reproduction? What is the asexual reproduction? Asexual reproduction not involving union or fusion of gametes. A single parent is involved. In the asexual reproduction, only single parent is involved, not the fusion of the two gametes. Only single parent is involved. It is called the asexual reproduction. Binary fission. Asexual mode of reproduction in which an organism divides into two daughter organisms of equal size. Binary fission is the asexual mode of reproduction in which an organism divides into two daughter organisms of equal size. What is the bisexual mode of reproduction? In the bisexual mode of reproduction, organisms producing both types of gametes in plants, that is the male and female parts, present in the same flower. What is the bisexual? In the same flower, male and female gametes are there. What is the budding? Budding is a kind of asexual reproduction in which a small outgrowth, that is the bud, appears on the body of the organisms. What is the cutting? Artificial method of vegetative propagation in which short lengths of plant, stem or root are used for growing new plants. Embryo, a ball-like structure formed after divisions in the fertilized eggs, that is the zygote. What is the gamete? A reproductive cell produced from reproductive organs of plants and animals of two types, that is the male and female. Artificial methods of vegetative propagation in which a desired plant is obtained from two different individuals called stalk and scion. Layering, artificial methods of vegetative propagation in which a branch of the plant is buried under the soil and growing tip is kept above the soil surface is called the layering. Pollination, transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma is called the pollination. Regeneration, ability of living things to repair themselves or to grow lost parts. Sexual reproduction, a reproduction involving fusion of gametes is called the sexual reproduction. Tissue culture, techniques of growing tissues or organs or organism in a suitable medium under aseptic infection-free conditions. Unisexual, organisms producing one type of gamete only or flowers bearing only male or female part. What is the vegetative reproduction? Asexual methods of reproduction in plants where vegetative parts, root, stem or leaf are used to grow new plants. Now come to the roundup. Reproduction is the process in which living organisms produce new own kind is the means of perpetuation of the species. There are two modes of reproduction, that is the asexual and sexual modes of reproduction. And different types of asexual reproduction are fission, budding, fragmentation, spore formation, regeneration and vegetative reproduction. And in higher plants, flowers are the reproductive organs, that is the stamen are the male reproductive organs producing male gametes, and pistil is the female reproductive part producing the female gametes or egg inside the ovule. Sexual reproduction brings about variations. Sexual reproduction brings about variations among the new individuals, and no variation is caused by the asexual reproduction. Seed dispersal takes place by wind, water and animals. This chapter completed, and you will take revision of this chapter.